I mean, Mika, they told me he was kissing. I don't understand what it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a recipe of okay.
Mama, they told me he was kissing.
Roy, mamaya na makapagkwentuhan dyan. Magtrabaho ka muna.
Muna.
Hindi ako nagsasalita eh. Hindi ako nagsasalita eh. I'm focusing on my work for our future.
What?
For my
Ano?
future.
The future
I
wife?
will meet her parents. I will meet her cousins tomorrow. Lala?
I don't think so.
Minunit.